love you. Say hi.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? Hello. Hello. Are you a pretty bird? Pretty bird. How you doing? Hello. How you doing? What you doing? How you doing? Hello. Want to step up? Because you really got a really tight grip and it hurts. There we go. Much better.
I don't know.
You don't know? That feels much better. Oh.
I don't know.
You don't know? What don't you know? Are you pretty? Are you a good bird? Want to step up again? Step up? Hello. How you doing? I'm good. How are you? Good. How you doing? You a pretty bird? Ripley a good bird?